The purpose of the simple retrospective is to outline key things teams don't like and instead offer ideas they believe should be implemented. Remember, you can use this template whether your team is in the same room or spread around the world. This retrospective prompts two statements: to stop doing this and to start doing this. Answering these is a simple way to deduce how your subordinates think things should be done around here. To create a simple retrospective, on the home page, look up the top for My Maps, click on that and it takes you to this page. Here, click Create Map and type in the search templates bar simple and it's your first result. Here, we're given a number of customization options. You can change the name of the map, the objectives, as well as the processes involved. So for example, in the brainstorm stage, you can make ideas to be plotted only by the facilitator or everyone. And basically you can make the brainstorm style individual, where participants can only see each other's answers as they're plotting, or collaborative, where everybody sees each other's answers as they go along. We can change the voting stage, and for this map I think we might actually increase the number of votes that we're giving participants from 5 to 8. We'll display that later. Anonymity can be turned off where participants will be named, or you can turn it on where participants' names won't be provided. More of an anonymous approach there. You can also turn the like and dislike function on and off. Once you're satisfied with your decisions, head to the bottom and click Create. And the map's generated quickly for us. Now if you do want to go back at any stage and re-customize, you've got the sidebar here, and you can just click on Customize. We're straight back to this page. Re-edit your options, and then just click Return to Map when you're done. So now, in order to actually invite participants to your page, head to the top right-hand corner, click on the Invite tab in green. Here you can basically put in people's email addresses and send them the map via email. There's also a map ID link which is randomly generated, and a regular link which you can send to participants. Now we'll show you guys the real-time aspect of group map. So let's say that this here is the facilitator and this is the participant. So in real time, as the participant adds their ideas, generates in real time straight away to the facilitator, who can check the answers. It's a common problem. Heading on up to the grouping stage up here, facilitators can take some similar ideas and actually group them together as one. Now if you decide that, whoops, that wasn't the right decision, you can go back and click on this little cross sign here, and they're back to exactly how they were. This grouping stage is also a really good opportunity for facilitators to influence discussion, talk about the ideas, what could possibly be grouped together, and really deconstruct what's on the page. Now that we've reached the voting stage, participants have the opportunity to allocate votes to the ideas that they like the most. You'll remember that we increased the dot votes from 5 to 8, so that's how many votes they have to really allocate on things that matter most to them. So let's say that taking out the bins is quite important, but so is actively listening to one another. The final results page offers a good overview for both the facilitator and the participants to really review what's being discussed, the ideas, and yeah, really you can just finalize on decisions here. Remembering that if you do want to make any changes, you can go back up the top here and click on the tabs that you want to change. So once everything's done, to head to your reports and save your decisions and whatnot, head to the top left-hand corner here, click on the sidebar, reports is fourth one down, and here you can actually download your results as an image, a JPEG file or a PDF. And we also get a breakdown of all the ideas that have been made, participants involved, each of the steps that we took. Once you're done here, again, click on the sidebar, and we can lock the map if we want to prevent any further changes. And by exiting, goes back to our My Maps tab, where your locked retrospective lies. There it is. Not only is the simple retrospective easy to create and easy to use, but it's such an effective tool to include your team in the decision-making process, whether they're in a classroom or a corporate environment. If you liked this video, please show us some love and check out the links below, or check out some of our other videos to help your teams think better together.